What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we're going to be trying out mystery fashion boxes from Etsy. I have never done a video like this on my channel before, so I'm really excited to see what kind of fashion pieces we'll actually get. So for the purpose of this video, I bought 3 different mystery boxes and they are all basically categorized under different aesthetics. And in case you guys are wondering where I got these from, I got it from this Etsy store right here. We're all about promoting the small businesses on this channel. So the style boxes that I ended up buying is the Dark Academia box, which I bought for £35. I went for the bronze bundle type, which only gives you 2 items, but I felt like that was enough. I also got the French girl style capsule wardrobe, as well as the light academia style, which I think personally will probably be my favorite. So every single box was £35, and these are actually thrifted. So I really like this idea because it gives thrifted clothing a new life, but I like that it's in a fun way, in the form of like a mystery box. So this girl basically went out and pretty much was my personal stylist. I really like this concept, so I guess we'll see what we got. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see what I got in these mystery boxes, then without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, this is my box. This is how it has arrived. It's not that big, and considering there's supposed to be 6 pieces of clothing in here, I'm a little bit concerned. Let's open it up together. Okay, so I see this. Everything is very tightly packed, so I mean, it makes sense how it fit in this box. And I really like that she actually secured the individual pieces with like a little bit of a string to kind of signify that that is, I'm guessing, the French girl kind of capsule wardrobe. So we have, I think, 3 items in here. I didn't realize you get 3 items. Hang on a minute. Okay, so the bronze bundle gets you 2 clothing items and 1 small accessory. I didn't realize that. That is really cool. So I'm guessing this is the French girl one, just judging by the stripes. Let's open it up and see. Oh yes, she's even labeled it. It says French. Let's open it up and see what kind of pieces we have. So first up, I see a really cute, like, vintage looking bag. This is actually adorable. Look at this. I love this. Where did she find this? This is really cute. It's got like Parisian little tables, women sitting at the table. It's actually a really cute bag. I love the coloring of it. It's definitely right up my street because I mostly wear neutral tones like this. It's got that pop of color, but it's not too much. So this is really cool. This is what it looks like inside. It honestly looks barely used. Like, it looks brand new. Okay, we're off to a pretty good start. Now we have the top. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, hang on a minute. Is this kind of cute? This is adorable, you guys. It kind of gives me like Gucci vibes. Look at this. Like on the pocket, there's like a little pattern going on. It's even got like tiny little pockets on the bottom. This is so cute. It's basically like a cardigan type of fabric. It's definitely not the kind of color that I would normally like go towards, but I think this is cute. It smells definitely like it's come from a thrift store. It has been like washed, but yeah, you can definitely tell it's not new. Whoa, hang on a minute. I think I've got more pieces in here. I thought this was 1 piece, but there's actually 2 more in here. So wait a second. Has this come with a matching skirt? No way. Okay, well, it's not matching, but it's navy as well, which is the same color as this. So she paired that pretty well. And then look at the trim on the bottom. It's got a very similar cream looking trim that this top has as well. So this is definitely like a very cohesive look already. And lastly, we have this. What is this? Oh, she also chucked in a pair of shorts in case I didn't like the skirt. These are kind of cute. I wouldn't normally go for shorts like this, but they look high-waisted, so that definitely ticks my box. And they just look like the paper bag kind of shorts, so yeah, I think these are awesome. I think I'm gonna try on this outfit first with the bag because I feel like this is a little bit more Parisian and just very like sophisticated, but I will also try the shorts with the top as well. All right, guys, so here is look number 1. This is my Parisian look. And honestly, I don't really know how to feel about it. I definitely dig the top, and it's something that I could probably wear and dig. However, the skirt, I just don't know if it's very me. I'm gonna be honest. I do feel like a middle-aged lady in this skirt, and I just don't know why. I guess it's just the cut. It's just very old-fashioned, I would say. With that being said though, just because it's not my personal taste, I don't think it's a terrible outfit. Like in terms of the color scheme and how everything goes goes together, it's not awful. Now, I wasn't too sure in the listing of this Etsy seller if these items were intended to be worn like together or whether it was just like a capsule wardrobe that you can mix and match with. Obviously, I have only this outfit to show for, but I mean, that's not to say you have to wear this all together. Like, you could just wear the top with something else on the bottom, or you could just wear the skirt and vice versa. But if we're judging the outfit as it is, standalone, I would say it's not bad. I mean, we've got the cohesive color going on. We've got the nudes and the browns. We've got the nude trimming on the top as well as the skirt. And then of course, the navy color is matching as well. So, you know, she's done pretty well with that. I do kind of want to see how this outfit would look if I was to tuck the actual top inside the skirt. It might just make it look more like a dress. So let's give that a go. Maybe I'll like it a little bit better. Okay, here we are. I do think that actually visually looks much better. It looks way less frumpy and it kind of just looks like a dress now. I could actually get on board with this. Imagine this with like a little beret as well. Hang on a minute. Okay, sorry, but who is she? Is she a Parisian girl? Yes, she is. The beret honestly just transformed everything. And again, the colors just really look cohesive. Obviously, the beret didn't come with the outfit. I paired that myself, but yeah, I do think this outfit does have potential. Okay, and this is the second bottoms option. I don't know. I don't think these two really go together, but I do really like the shorts on their own. I think these with like a nice white crop top would be such a cute vibe, so I'm giving the shorts a big thumbs up. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, this particular like box probably deserves maybe like a 6 out of 10. Okay, now moving on to the next mystery box. We're now going to be trying out the Dark Academia one, and I'm so excited because I personally really love the Dark Academia style. So again, this bundle right here was also only £35, and it looks like you get 4 pieces again. She was very generous. She has labeled it Dark Academia, as you can see. So let's open it up. I see a really cute tiny bag. Oh wait, it's not a bag. It's actually a wallet. But yeah, it's definitely giving Dark Academia. I mean, look at it. It is so cute. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. It's got like green inside. This is giving Slytherin all over. Again, this looks to be in a very good condition. Like, it doesn't have any sort of scuffs or anything, and considering this was thrifted, that's pretty good. So that is the first item. Next up, we have this, which I have a feeling she basically might have bought like part of a co-ord? I don't know. I mean, take a look at this. This vest is literally matching in terms of fabric and color to the previous top that we've tried from the French bundle. I'm pretty sure these like came together like from the same person at the thrift store. Do you know what I mean? This is just too much of a coincidence. So yeah, this is the vest for the Dark Academia. I quite like it. I think you could definitely pair this with like a nice white collared shirt underneath and just give it that Dark Academia school look. But what's cool is that obviously she knew I bought a couple of different bundles and I could totally pair these two together as well. So to go with this, we have what looks like a black pair of corduroy shorts. Oh wait, it's not shorts, it's a skirt. This is interesting. It's definitely not something I would ever choose for myself, but I mean, you know, it's given Dark Academia for sure. Now, the next item I have a feeling is a blazer. This is actually the last item of this bundle. And already, I think this is really cool. Okay, I mean, it might be a little bit like out of style. It's definitely like not the sort of cut that you're seeing currently on trend. But this is the blazer. I mean, it is definitely very interesting. First of all, look how cool the sleeve is. It's got like cherry blossom kind of things on it. I mean, it's almost like she knew me. Like, I love cherry blossoms, so this is amazing. I also really like the color of this blazer. It's kind of like a gray mixed with a brown. I can't really quite put my finger on it, but I love like the different paneling and the weird stitched kind of fabrics. I think it's quite funky. The best part is at the back though. Look at this. This is amazing. This embroidery is literally a work of art. Look at the cherry blossoms, look at the bird. This is so cute. I have a feeling this might have been from like quite an expensive brand because look at this, like the inside is so cool. Like even the lining fabric is amazing. It comes from this brand here. Okay, so what I'm finding out about this brand is the fact that it's a vintage 2000s kind of brand. It's so crazy that we're calling 2000s vintage. I honestly feel so old. I can't seem to find this exact blazer on the internet, but I can see that these types of blazers from this brand are all very different and very unique, and they kind of range between like 25 to like 80 pounds. So it's not super expensive, but it's still a really cool item, which I mean, I definitely wouldn't have picked up for myself. So let's go try this whole outfit on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the dark academia outfit. I must say, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Obviously, when I held up all the items individually, I really thought to myself, they're okay, but I just don't know if they go together. Now that I have them on, they're obviously not that bad. I still probably wouldn't pair black and navy. It's just a combination that I think is a little bit of a strange one. I have to say though, all the pieces individually, like, you know, the wallet, the blazer, the skirt, everything, it's really, really nice quality. Everything looks like it's brand new, to be honest. So I'm very impressed, and the fit of everything has been spot on. Like the skirt fits fine. The blazer I thought might be a little bit small, but it's actually fine as well. And literally all I told at the Etsy store was that I was a size 8, and everything has been pretty nice. I think my favorite part of this outfit is definitely the blazer. It is still, in my opinion, a little bit outdated, especially like the shape and cut of it. But vintage fashion and vintage cuts are definitely making a comeback in fashion nowadays, so I don't really mind it. I just love the detailing on this blazer. It's just such a unique piece that I haven't seen anywhere else like this. My favorite part for sure is this sleeve from the front, the weird like patches of different fabrics, and of course the embroidery in the bag. Apart from the blazer, this is what the outfit looks like underneath. This is the vest with the skirt. I wouldn't really say that the vest on its own is very dark academia. It could be though if you started with a white shirt underneath, but yeah, this is all I got for this outfit, and to be honest, it's not bad. So I'm giving this whole thing probably like a 7 or 8 out of 10. I'm kind of on the fence. Now, the very last fashion mystery box that we're going to be trying out from this Etsy store was the Light Academia bundle, and honestly, out of all of them, I feel like this might be like my favorite because this is the kind of color and tones that I'm most comfortable in. So this is what has arrived. This is what I got. Obviously, you're not going to get the exact same items. Just bear that in mind because this person is thrifting for them. So first things first. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, there's a letter. Ooh, what is in here? Whoa, there's a little pin. I guess this is the small accessory for this outfit. It's a little like Victorian brooch. I used to love things like this. Also inside the letter was this. This is the store, in case you guys were wondering. Okay, let's take a look. So the first item is this. It's a white Reese shirt. Okay, Reese is quite a good and expensive brand. This is what it looks like. I mean, again, it's a little bit like dated, but I would say it's about how you wear these individual pieces that really changes how they can look. Like, it's not the most fashionable cut, although it does look like it has a little bit of shape to it. Got like a sort of V-neck. It's then quite cinched in the waist. It sort of fans out at the bottom. It then has this like cool sort of ruched effect right here on the shoulders, and you might not be able to see it, but it kind of like pleats on the back and on the front, giving it like a really interesting texture. It's also got these tiny little buttons as well on the cuff. Moving on, we then have this, which is a pair of gray, kind of like office looking trousers. They look okay in the waist. I'm hoping they're going to be quite cinched in, but they definitely look very short. They're almost like culottes, I think. Anyway, I mean, my legs are not this short. This is surely like a culotte pair of trousers. I don't know how I feel about that, but I guess we'll see. These are from a brand called Bias Classics. Never heard of that. And now the very last item we have is this. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I see it's stained a little bit. So this is actually the first item that kind of shows that it's obviously not brand new. It has been thrifted. What actually is this? Oh, okay. It's like a vest. It's like a body warmer kind of vest. It's made of a really interesting fabric. It's almost like knitted. It is from this brand. I've never heard of this brand. I can't find much about this brand, but if you guys have ever heard of it, let me know in the comments. I do think it's a really cute kind of vest. It's obviously a little bit squashed in the box, but I think I could make this work. All right, guys. And now the last outfit we have is the Light Academia outfit. And to be honest, I don't really know about this one either. The combination of items, I think in my opinion, is really strange. I normally wouldn't pair like a vest over a satin look shirt. I mean, without the vest, like this and this looks kind of okay. It kind of is giving like office worker, maybe like school, I don't know. So that part is definitely like the academia part, but the vest, I don't know, it's just a little bit odd. I don't know if I'll be able to do up the vest as it is quite tight. Oh, I can. It just won't really go over my hips. But yeah, that is the vest. Oh, I also paired these little like fake glasses just to kind of, you know, go into that whole academia vibe. These glasses did not come with the outfit, just saying. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. And also the trousers are very, very short. So I could tell that these are gonna be like culotte style. So yeah, this is the outfit. I mean, again, the pieces individually are definitely gonna work in different scenarios, but all together, I think it's just a little bit too weird. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see the shirt as well. This is what the shirt looks like. It's actually a very nice fit. I definitely need to steam it though, but I really, really like it. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably gonna give this one, I want to say like a 4. I'm not really that impressed. I really thought this was going to be my favorite one, but it really wasn't. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's video of me trying out these mystery boxes from Etsy. I honestly had so much fun trying them out. I personally love trying out different styles and different aesthetics, so this was a really good taster to that, as well as having that cool, fun element of like not really knowing what you're gonna get. I personally think my favorite box was definitely the Dark Academia. I just loved it so much, but let me know which one of these outfits / items was your favorite. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments and smash that huge thumbs up down below. But that is all from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.